Imagine earning passive income while doing almost no work. Yes, it is possible. I'm doing it, and in this guide, I'm going to show you how to set up a new automated system that's going to create new passive income by featuring the news when BitGet lists new products. We're going to use a simple webhook, some AI tools, and automation software. I'll show you how to connect Make.com cryptocurrency alerting and use ChatGPT and Perplexity AI to create some really helpful, timely cryptocurrency research blog posts that are really engaging for the cryptocurrency enthusiasts, and they make you money. This is passive income that actually becomes passive. The first step of the process is to sign up and create a free account over on cryptocurrencyalerting.com. We're going to use their free system to set up a coin listing alert. We're going to set up a webhook anytime a new coin is listed on BitGet. And you can see that there are many different exchanges where you can get these listings from. You can see here inside my account that I'll get a webhook notification when Bitcoin dominance goes below 56.1 and a webhook anytime any new coin is listed on BitGet. So you can see my alert history that I did get an alert last night. And when I woke up this morning, there was an article for me to edit. And here's the article that the automation generated. Setting up the webhook with cryptocurrency alerting is the first part. The second part is to set up the automation to listen for that webhook over on Make.com. Make.com is a no-code platform that allows you to connect all sorts of APIs and apps and tools together. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how this automation works, but if you comment down below, I will send you this automation blueprint so you can just upload it and get started right away. Let's open up this automation and take a look at each step. The first step to get all this going is to set up a webhook. So as we create this webhook, we can give it some IP restrictions and we can save it. We get our webhook address. This is what we need to start off the whole automation. We're going to copy this address and we'll bring it over to our account on cryptocurrency alerting. And this webhook is the simple connection that brings us all the information we need. Connecting this webhook is super simple, and then you're ready to go with the rest of the automation. Once we have the webhook connected to cryptocurrency alerting, we leave it running and it will immediately trigger the entire sequence whenever the data arrives. When the data arrives, we have a very simple 3-step sequence, and then we write the title and we publish it. That's all there is to it. So we have ChatGPT do the initial research. We take this message from cryptocurrency alerting and research any information they can find about the announcement. Create a 300-word summary of the news. Then we have Perplexity AI consider this new announcement from the message, verify the additional details in the news brief that ChatGPT just created, and collect relevant social media sentiment and craft an opinion piece with pros and cons. So now we're starting to put the information together and add in all sorts of context. The third step now is to combine that research. So we tell the system that they are an accomplished research writer with a knack for making simple wording and easy to understand content. For me, this is really important because it removes most of those confusing words that only artificial intelligence seems to use. Then the next command is the user command, where we take the announcement, we take the initial research and the confirming research, and we have that, combine it into common information in a simple to understand report using simple language. Really great stuff. Finally, I do have a little bit of a clickbait style title and subtitle that summarizes the announcement from the combined research. Then we bring it over to Medium and over to WordPress. Once we bring the information over onto the platform as the blog post, this is where we start to organize it with the income streams. Initially, the post is set to draft so that I can go in afterwards and edit the post and add some images and get it ready to finally release. Over the next week or two, as we get more announcements, I'll go back and I'll train the AI with examples that I want. I'll say, this is what the news was, this is how it turned out, and these are the examples that I want you to write like in the future. So I'll do another video later after we get a few of these and I get some examples that I can bring it back inside here. And I'll have an assistant prompt that has, here's the before, here's the after, this is what I want you to craft it like, and we'll see how that starts to turn out. And you can also see in the markdown formatting for the Medium post where I've included an image that has already been uploaded to Medium and then a link to some of the content that is already published over on Medium. So we have medium.com, a couple different articles that are already on Medium. And when this publishes, these turn out to be really attractive links that go off to the articles I want to feature. And again, this automation is very new. So over the next couple weeks, as we go through some of these announcements, I'll go back and I'll train this and it'll get even better. This is the very first example post where Katashiev has been listed on BitGet. So I grabbed an image from Katashi Twitter account and I grabbed an image from BitGet and I put in my referral link right up top. And then there's just some basic block content. I haven't done any job in formatting this at all. Then we have the perplexity report down here, which is much nicer for reading. You can scan this a lot more quickly. The pros and the cons of the announcement. Really some great stuff here from the perplexity report. So after this article was published, then I created the combine the research prompt. And you'll see that inside each of the posts, I have all three. I have the message from the webhook, I have the ChatGPT completion, I have the perplexity completion, and I have the combined research. So when this post goes out in draft mode, I'll have a chance to read all three of those and do some of my own edits before the next one gets published live. And here's another powerful automation that helps this whole system work is that the RSS feed from digital currency traders, as we publish these articles, the RSS feed is sent out to the social media every 8 hours or something like that. So as we get those articles posted onto the website, later a different automation takes care of putting it out onto LinkedIn, Facebook, Reddit, and I got to get this set up so it's going out to the Twitter account again as well. Now, once this system is up and running, this is when the passive income will begin to flow. It takes a little bit of lag time. You have to get the content up there. People have to find it and go through your referral link and start to trade before you start to actually make any income. But the primary revenue stream that I'm working for with this, for my own part, I'm referring people over to the BitGet exchange because I use BitGet copy trading and I think it's great for beginning traders to diversify your investment strategies. But there's also different revenue streams built in here too. The cryptocurrency alerting referral program has been referenced. The TradingView referral program I like to refer people to. The Make.com referral program is a really good one over the long term. And I'm also introducing people to the WAP Store referral program so that you can set up your own information product and have people join your referral program. So as you see by this video, setting up the system might require a little bit of work up front, but the ongoing income is going to be nearly hands-free. Each of the tools involved in this demonstration include free versions, and upgrading brings even more power, except for ChatGPT and Perplexity AI. Those are the two paid sources, but they are so economical that you're crazy not to set these things up and have them working for you. So are you ready to start automating some of your income? Leave a comment below. I'll send you the blueprint. You can get started for free, and as it starts to work, you can put more and more time into it. I'm super grateful to have you along. Thanks for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. Let's connect up on different social media. Stay safe, everyone. Here's to your success.